Pitti Engineering Ltd, a metal components manufacturer. The company was incorporated in the year 1983 and got public in 1994. They are based in Hyderabad, with more than 650 employees and 1,800 workers. They have 3 manufacturing plants, 2 located in Hyderabad and 1 in Aurangabad, with a production capacity of 56,000 metric tons per annum. There are plans to increase the production capacity to 72,000 metric tons per annum by fiscal year 2025. The market cap of the company is 2,886 crore rupees and currently trading at 901 rupees per share. The company has a 32% CAGR for 3-year sales growth and 44% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. Company manufactures sheet metal laminations, motor cores, die-cast rotors, press tools, sub-assemblies, and more. These products are used in diverse industries for various applications. About 35% of the revenue is generated from railway components, 14% from power generation, 11% from industrial, 8% from mining, 7% from special purpose motors, 4% from renewable energy, and 21% from other segments. The company is showcasing strong financial records and clocking good profits year on year. There has been no drop in the promoters' holding in the last 4 quarters. We can see some foreign and domestic investments in the company. Some clients of the company are ABB Group, Cummins, Siemens, Medha Servo Drives, BHEL, Alstom, Suzlon, Indian Railways, Mitsubishi Electric, and more. Top 3 clients contribute about 44% of the total revenue, indicating high client concentration. Coming to some key highlights. Company is one of the largest manufacturers of electrical laminations in India. In June 2023, company approved the amalgamation of its subsidiary, Pitti Castings. In March 2024, company acquired Bagadia Chaitra Industries for Rs 125 crores. The current production capacity of the company is 18,000 metric tons per annum. Capex of Rs 223 crores has been allocated for expansion, to be utilized by fiscal year 2025. Company plans to be debt-free by fiscal year 2026. They have a strong network of more than 600 vendors and serve more than 85 clients from 11 countries, with a revenue concentration of 33% from exports and 67% from domestic. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.